So for our measuring spoon, it's the same as the way you use your measuring cups. So the biggest spoon here is 1 tablespoon. Your tablespoon is known as TBSP. That's the short form for your tablespoon, TBSP. Okay, and you can measure 15 ml. This is 15 ml with your 1 tablespoon. The next spoon here is your half tablespoon. This is half of the big tablespoon of the 1 tablespoon. Sorry. So if you divide 15 by 2, you see to give us 7.5. So this is half of the 1 tablespoon. So the next one here is 1 teaspoon. Okay, your teaspoon is known as TSP. The short form for teaspoon is TSP. Okay, so and you see that it is 5 ml. Okay, your teaspoon is 5 ml. Your 1 teaspoon is not half of your half tablespoon. You can see this is 5 ml and this is 7.5. If you're going to use 2 of these to make your half tablespoon, it's going to give you 10 ml. So your 1 teaspoon is not half of your half tablespoon. Okay, it's just there in case of your recipe. Okay, please take note that it's one thing to know how to make use of this, and it's another thing to have good recipes. Okay, so if you're a baker or you're an aspiring baker and you need very good recipes, please send a DM. Okay, send a DM or comment in the comment section. Okay, and I'll get to you. So the next thing we have here is half teaspoon. You can see half TSP here. That's 2.5 ml. Half teaspoon. Okay, so this is half of the 1 tablespoon. So in case you can't find or you don't know where your 1 teaspoon is, you can double this. You can do 2 of your half teaspoon. You can see that this is 2.5. Consider this is 2.5. Okay, so 2.5 times 2 will give you 5 ml. 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. So you can use half teaspoon, two half teaspoon to get 1 teaspoon. Okay, so the next here is our 1/4 teaspoon. This 1/4 teaspoon is half of the half. Okay, so you can make use of this 2 of this 1/4 teaspoon to get your 1/2 teaspoon. I don't know if this is making sense to you. Okay, so this 1/4 teaspoon is half of this. So if you can't find this, you can multiply this by 2 to get this. Okay, so you can see this is 1.2. Multiply by 2, you get 2.5. So our last spoon here is 1/8 teaspoon. This is the smallest spoon here, and it is also half of the 1/4 teaspoon. So if you can't find your 1/4 teaspoon, just double the recipe of this, just double the measurement of this 1/8 teaspoon. Okay, and you'll be able to make use of this. So I hope you understand now how to make use of our measuring cup and our measuring spoon.